Hey guys, and welcome to my unboxing video and first look at the xDuuo XP-1, which is a high performance USB DAC and headphone amplifier, and it's specifically designed really for Android devices, and in particular the Samsung Galaxy S3 and Note 2 among others. So yeah, it's quite an interesting device because obviously with an OTG cable you can now get raw data out of a Android device and feed it into a USB DAC. So this is a device reaping the benefits of that. It comes in a really nice white box actually, and the opens up there. Bit of foam in the roof of the box, and we can instantly see the device itself. We'll have a closer inspection of that a bit later. So for now I'll just take that out, put that on the side, and let's see what else we get included in this box. We get some cables, what I guess is a warranty card of some description. Seems to be an instruction manual. All the devices we can use it for. Obviously there's a Samsung S3 at the top with it. Computer, using it as a USB DAC with a computer. Using that with another device, I think that's a Sony device. I'm using it with a computer to drive speakers, and also using it for phone charge with USB DACs. And there's some setup guides there for all the different devices and how to use the device. As for cables, we get a couple included. I think first off we get some, I think they're stands if you're using it on a desk as a USB DAC for your computer. We get these cables, which may not look anything special, but I think a lot of people would actually kill for one of these cables. They're for use with a S3. I mean, it's nice they give you two of them actually. They're for use with the S3 and or other Android devices, and these connect the xDuuo amp and the Samsung device, which is really cool. Because a lot of people have been using like 6 different cables to, right, that's a bit of an exaggeration, 2 different cables, which are quite long to achieve what these cables can do. So yeah, these are a great inclusion, and very excited to get about. So I'll show you more about these on the startup guide that I'll do shortly. Then this is just your typical USB to mini USB, just for using these as a computer DAC. So here we have the amp and DAC itself. It's a beautiful looking unit, metal casing, like a matte black finish at the bottom, but at the top we have like a polka dot look, which does look really cool actually, and it looks just a nice bit different to the others. It says xDuuo on the front, and it says the XP-1 and what it is on the bottom. So here we have the front faceplate of the device, and we have a phone out at the front. On the left here we have an aux in out, so if you're just using this as an amp maybe with a iDevice or another player, but you still get that option there. I think it's a bit messy that that's down there underneath all of that, because I struggled to see that at first. I was thinking maybe we have 2 phone outs, etc. We then have a gain switch, and these flick really nice, I must say. A bass switch, so we have 2 different levels of bass. We have a switch to determine what we're going to use this, how we're going to use this. So if we're using the aux in, that one here, we'll flick it up, and if we're using a USB in, which is on the back, we'll flick that down there. It comes with charge, so to turn it on we have to flick the first switch, get the LED light come on, and it's not easily knocked, and it's got nice resistance, and we also get the dots to help us see where we are in terms of volume. That's cool. So let's go to the back. On the back we have a charge on and off. So I think as we're using it as a USB DAC, we can choose whether we charge it or not. We also have the USB entrance, and then we have using it as a DAC or using it to charge your phone option. I hope you can, if you have the phone charge option, it still obviously works as a DAC. But overall, it looks really slim. It looks really nice, and I can't wait to go use it now. So that's the xDuuo XP-1. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. And if you like this sort of thing, please subscribe.